myself Monica and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today we'll be talking about the working of General Assembly UNGA. United Nations General Assembly is the main policy making organ of the organization, comprising all member states. It provides a unique forum for multilateral discussion of the full spectrum of international issues covered by the Charter of the United Nations. Each of the 193 member states of the UN has equal vote. UNGA also makes key decisions for the UN, including appointing the Secretary General on the recommendation of the Security Council, electing the non-permanent members of the Security Council, approving the UN budget. The Assembly meets in regular session from September to December each year and thereafter as required. It discusses specific issues through dedicated agenda items and sub-items which lead to the adoption of resolution. Sitting arrangement in the UNGA hall change from each section and sessions. During 77 session, will occupy the first seat in the hall, including the main committees. In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, the UNGA has been carrying out its work since 2020 via novel means to guarantee businesses continuity and mitigate the spread of the disease. Specific examples include the use of the virtual platforms to conduct meetings and to adopt of e-voting through procedure of decision making with an in-person meeting is not possible. The pandemic is not the only issue the world faces. Racism, intolerance, inequality, climate change, poverty, hunger, armed conflicts and other ill remain global challenges. These challenges call for global action, and the UN General Assembly is a critical opportunity for all to come together and chart a course for the future. And with that, I would like to wind up my topic. I hope UNGA is clear to you. And if you guys are having any query, you can ask me in the comments.